This is a story of the wildlife nature photography. Billy magazine is expecting pictures of birds and more birds. And so far all we have is a picture of your rear end. I would have moved out of the way if I knew you were taking a picture. We need to be taking pictures of birds. Where can they be? Maybe if you didn't make so much noise. That's it, my patience has run out. Time for my secret weapon, and that would be my Bengal flamingo panpipe. Do you really think that? Whoa. Hold that pose. It's a great shot. Stay cheese. One more. You weren't smiling. I also promised the magazine a picture of the Great Cape Buffalo. Really, I mean, they're really big. Here's the magazine. And be happy with the observer. No deal. If it's a buffalo they want, it's a buffalo they'll get. My secret weapon. Oh no. My two-toned bamboo buffalo bagpipe. Oh well, too bad it doesn't work. Another great shot. Say cheese. I can't. I was talking to the buffalo. And now to get a picture of the rare great white alligator. Alligator, you didn't tell me. We're looking for an alligator. Not just any alligator, the great white alligator. It looks like I'll have to rely on my secret weapon. Oh boy. And I'll eliminate alligator whistle. Mr. Noisy. Oh, poopity poop. Well, I don't think we're going to be seeing any alligators today. Mr. Bump. Hmm. Hmm. Uh.